welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to show you guys this cactus. This was it is my rainbow burst, and it's been here probably over a year, and it had all these babies attached to it, but I noticed that this cactus was not growing. So I think it's because of the babies. So yeah, I removed all the babies, or the offsets, whatever you want to call them, right? I removed them all, and now I'm going to, it doesn't need to go in a bigger pot. The problem was, I can see that there's probably a bunch of roots in here, but all the energy went to the offsets, so that's why the plant didn't grow. This is all what I'm assuming, you know, so whatever makes sense in my head. So that's what I'm assuming. So what I'm going to do is I removed all these offsets. It probably would have grown bigger if it was in a bigger pot with the offsets, but there were so many. Many of them also died, so I removed them. Many of these little ones have roots. I don't know if they're going to grow. I'm just going to go ahead and try potting them up. Not something like this. This one looks very dry. I'm not worried about it. There's a lot of them. So yeah, anyways, these are the ones that I'll be replanting. I'm just going to put them off to the side. And then this is the one that I want to take out. I'm going to go ahead and let's see if I can dump the rock on here. See, it's so compressed that the rock just came right off. Not compressed, but you know, root bound probably. So now, let me use another tray just to try to keep my area clean. Oh, and there it goes. So I mean, there's okay. So you can see there was roots all the way to the bottom. See, those are roots that just came off the plant. It's pretty loose, but look. Oh, honey, I'm making a video and you scared the bejeebies out of me. So, it has, for the size that it looks, the plant, it has pretty big roots. See that? That stuff? It's like sandy. You ever notice some pots, especially with cacti, with terracotta pots, you'll see like a white substance all over it after a while. I don't know what that is. But yeah, anyways, there's a lot of sand in here. So, look at that root system for this little thing, because it was taking care of all those offsets. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna reset it. Just have it start all over. 1 second. So I'm gonna go ahead and trim all these roots with my dull pliers. These things don't cut anymore. Well, they do, but when they feel like it. There we go. See? Ow, I'm getting poked. Trying to make sure in here. I want to see. In here. See? Now I'm just gonna replant it in the same pot and let it grow. And for now, because I want this to grow, if I see any offsets, I'm just gonna pull them off. Because I like, you know, there you go, I have plenty of babies. I'm not trying to like, what is it called? Multiply this plant, but yeah. Let's take this aside. Some new soil will help it grow. Needs more. I would like it a little bit higher. Today's Friday, guys. What? It's, well, I don't know, right? There's nothing to do. I was going to say, what are you guys going to do? There's nothing to do. I'm trying to cover the dried out part. Don't like it. Don't want to see it. Somebody's coming. One of my kids. My youngest. She's 11. She likes to cook. Like on her own and stuff. Let's see. Ooh, you made me yummy eggs. Look at her. She tries to decorate it with spinach leaf. You're so cute. Thank you. See, look good. Did you make some for yourself?
No. I'm making more for Dad.
Oh yeah? Mmm. Yummy, thank you. She's so sweet. My kids make me laugh. I'm so blessed to have them. I have a pretty boring life if I didn't have them. They make me laugh. Hi, Maxie. Oh, you smell the eggs. Okay. So, what is it called? Exciting to see how this plant will grow. Maxie, come on. Let me see if I can recycle the same rock. You're in my way, Max. There's a little bit of a mix there of different things, but it's okay. Okay, this one's all potted up again, and then we can watch it grow and see how it grows. So that one's there. Now, So I have some pieces of rock here. I'm going to plant the little ones. Lexi, leave that. Lexi. So many lumps in this soil. This is going to be a lot of, well, but this is the best one that I have for this. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's so hot already. I'm hot. I feel some breeze, but I'm pretty hot. Goodness. Okay, let's do this here. We'll see if these grow. That will be exciting to see, right? At least they have roots. At least all the ones that I'm seeing right now have roots. Then as these get bigger, I'll have to take them out and put them in individual pots. I squished this one a little too hard earlier, but I think it will grow. Darn it, my finger. Once they get a little good, root, I'm going to take them out and put them in individual pots. I just want to see them do that before I do all that work. So, they need better roots. I'm not going to water them right away, right now, only just in case in the process of pulling them out, I might have hurt them. Same thing for the main plant. I'm not going to water as well in case I, created any wounds while pulling these out. I'm sure it did. Gotta hurry up so I can eat my eggs. That's a lot of offsets. See, they were taking all the energy from the main plant. Couldn't grow. And I threw a lot of them away because they were just dried up. They were older. Or maybe there were just so many that they all couldn't make it, you know? They all couldn't grow right. I don't think this one has roots, but I'll just pop it in there. And that's it, guys. They are all there. And we'll check on them, I don't know, in a week and see. Probably not pull them out, but just see if they look any bigger. I probably can water like in a couple days. Anyways, this video will probably be a couple of videos together with other potting videos. So I'll see you later. 22 days since I planted these. I removed them from the main plant and placed them in here. I did it on April 24th, and here it's kind of hard to tell what they look like. Some of them you can see better than others, but some of them have a little bit of soil on top. Some of these might make it and some of them, you know, won't. So I definitely think that one's looking good, and this one, like based on the color, some of them that look a little bit darker, not too sure. So that's what I wanted to do. And then the next thing I wanted to update you guys was remember when I will show here a video of when I beheaded these and planted them. I will show you. I think I did that, so hopefully I did. This is Pativeria Blue Pearl. And remember the stems I saved? I placed them in my greenhouse, I think for a week. And then I put them out here. And oh my gosh, in just a couple days of when it rained, like it had a little bit, but now after it rained, it just blew up. Right there, right there. Look at these. I remember looking at these the other day and they look small. So I'll be probably harvesting those again and putting them in an individual pot, just to let them grow like the other ones. But yeah, that is looking really good. It surprised me. We've been getting rain, I think, the last couple days. It was supposed to storm really bad, but it didn't. I'm very thankful for that. So yeah, see my wind chime on the floor. But the babies are happy. I don't know, we'll see. And the rest of the week, I posted on my Instagram, it shows that the rest of the week isn't storming, so we'll just see. I'm just thankful they had a break to just, like, you know, take a breather, have a bunch of plants everywhere. That's what I wanted to share with you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Liking is very important. Please do that. I would really appreciate it if you guys do that. Again, guys, I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for all your support. Have a blessed day. Bye. Maxie, say bye.